हाय, गुड इवनिंग ऑल। आप सभी का स्वागत है आज की शाम में। और आज की शाम शुरुआत करने से पहले प्रार्थना करेंगे एक छोटी सी, और एक छोटा सा विचार है, जो थॉट है, मैं आप लोगों के साथ बांटना चाहूँगा। एंड प्रार्थना करते हैं। हे स्वर्गीय पिता परमेश्वर, धन्यवाद देते हैं आज के इस सुंदर शाम के लिए। पिता, आपके पास आते हैं परमेश्वर, आप राजाओं के राजा हैं, प्रभुओं के प्रभु। आप परमेश्वर हमारे दिल के हर एक चीज़ को जानते हो, हमारे रास्तों को, हमारे विचारों को, हमारे जो भी योजनाएं है परमेश्वर उसको जानते हो। हम धन्यवाद देते हैं कि पिता, इन सब चीज़ों को जानने के बावजूद आप हमसे बिना कंडीशंस के प्रेम करते हो परमेश्वर। धन्यवाद देते पिता, आज के वचन के लिए हम आपके हाथों में सौंपते। आप इन्हें आशीष देना परमेश्वर, जो लोग सुन रहे उनको भी आप आशीष देना। धन्यवाद के साथ यीशु मसीह के नाम से मांगते हैं, आमीन। सो I would like to share it from Exodus chapter 33. As you all know that I shared a couple of weeks back from Exodus chapter 32, और आज 33वें अध्याय से बात करेंगे निर्गमन के। तो 33वें अध्याय में एक अद्भुत चित्रण है। जैसे मैंने 32वें अध्याय में गोल्डन काफ के बारे में बात किया था, जो सोने का बछड़ा जहाँ पर आयरन बनाता है, और आज मैं 33वें अध्याय से बात करना चाहूँगा कि जहाँ पर मूसा परमेश्वर के पास आता है, और उसमें 14वीं पंक्ति पे गौर करना चाहूँगा। 14 और 15 पंक्ति। आई वुड लाइक टू फोकस ऑन वर्स 14 and 15, where Moses says, my presence, where God says, and he said, my presence shall go with you and I will give you rest. So this God is saying to Moses and to the nation. God knew that in what conditions they were in, Israelites were in, and what sin they committed on chapter back, and still God is saying that my presence shall go with you and I will give you rest. And in response, Moses is saying something to God. और प्रति उत्तर देते समय 15 पंक्ति में मूसा इस तरीके से कहता है कि and he said unto him, it says Moses is talking to God and is telling God, if your presence is not going with me, carry us not also. As Moses is telling God, if you are not going, don't take us also, because they have seen the work of God in previous chapters. परमेश्वर के कार्य को उन्होंने कुछ अध्याय पहले देखा है। क्या परमेश्वर के बिना उन्होंने एक काम किया? 32वें अध्याय में जब देखते हैं, बिना परमेश्वर को पूछे, बिना परमेश्वर की अगुवाई के उन्होंने कुछ पाप किया। इसीलिए अभी क्या बोल रहा है मूसा? बोल रहा है, गॉड, एक बार गलती की हमने, पर हम नहीं चाहते कि हम क्या करें, दोबारा वो गलती करें। और क्या बोलता है वहाँ पर, आई थिंक 34 या 35 में, कहाँ पर वही 34 चैप्टर 34 में वर्स में 14 में बोलता है, फॉर द लॉर्ड आर गॉड हुज नेम इज ए जेलस गॉड, यानी कि परमेश्वर जो ऐसा है कि ईर्ष्या रखने वाला परमेश्वर। इट टॉक्स अबाउट, बिकॉज मोसेस अंडरस्टूड दैट नेचर एंड कैरेक्टर ऑफ गॉड, एंड Aaron did not understand that in the previous chapter. But I would like to introduce to one more person in this picture, and that the person's name is Peter. Where Peter, जब पतरस था, so you may have heard about him. He has been a great character. He has been a great person when he was with Jesus Christ, and today also he is with Jesus Christ in heaven. But when we read his stories and read his confidence, we can say, read his foolishness, you can say, when we read about his lifestyle, he is like a man with like sometimes without understanding says a lot of things. बिना कुछ सोचे समझे कहने वाला व्यक्ति था पतरस। पर जब आप देखते हो पतरस की, वो दिल में कुछ नहीं रखता था, वो बोल देता था यीशु मसीह, जीसस अगर आप यहाँ जा रहे हो मैं भी आऊँगा, यीशु मसीह आप यहाँ चल रहे हो मैं चलूँगा, यीशु आप वहाँ कर रहे हो क्यों कर रहे हो, सवाल करता था। इंटरेस्टिंग पिक्चर, इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी है पतरस की। बट उसके पहले मैं पतरस के बारे में एक पंक्ति पढ़ूंगा जिसमें कि लूका के 22वें अध्याय में अगर हम देखते हैं, उसमें पतरस कुछ इस तरीके से बोलता है, कहता है कि पतरस 22वें अध्याय की 33वीं पंक्ति में पतरस बोलता है, एंड ही सेड अनटू द लॉर्ड, आई एम रेडी टू गो विथ यू। और इन्हीं पंक्तियों को अगर आप मत्ती के 26 में देखते हैं, या मरकुस के 14वें अध्याय में देखते हैं, या यूहन्ना के 13वें अध्याय में देखते हैं, तो वो इस तरीके से कहता है पतरस, प्रभु आप जहाँ जाओगे ना मैं आ सकता हूँ। इट्स लाइक दैट कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल and that boldness what he had. He know कि somewhere or the other he is wrong, but still he was like confessing his heart before God. Like Jesus knew what Peter is going to say to him, but still he confessed his heart before God. That's interesting thing. And Moses is saying here, God, if your presence is not going with me, we are not going ahead. Sometimes in a believer's life it can be very easy. I can do lot of things without God. मतलब मैं एक मसीह जीवन में ये काम कर सकता हूँ, बिना परमेश्वर के बहुत सारी चीज़ें कर सकता हूँ. I can worship God, I can read my Bible, I can fellowship, I can do outreaches, I can do lot of things, preach message, sing song, prayer, leading prayer, lot of things I can do, but without God. But when Moses is confessing, he's saying, God, I have found grace in your eyes. Okay, God, allow me, confess and tell me, give me surety that it says in verse 13, Exodus chapter 33:13, निर्गमन के 33वें अध्याय 13वीं पंक्ति बोलता है, Now therefore I pray you, if I have found grace in your sight. Moses is confessing before God, God, I have found grace in your sight. God, allow me. I want you to go before me, Lord. I don't want to run ahead of you. प्रभु मैं आपसे आगे नहीं भाग सकता, परमेश्वर मैं आपके पीछे रहना चाहता हूँ. Like पीटर क्या कर रहा था? Peter was trying to. He is confessing क्या? God, if everybody leave you, I will not leave you. If everybody forsake you, I will not do this. But here, what was Moses' response? God, I know I have found grace in your eyes. That's beautiful, God, but allow me. My prayer is that you go before me because I am a weak person. I am a weak person. I can't do anything. But one sense when we look at Peter, पतरस को देखते क्या बोलते हैं? Like he was bold enough. He was not confessing that he is a weak person. He was like so strong in his own personality that he don't want to just experience that grace. He's not allowing that grace to come in. But here Moses, he is trying to experience the grace, that how weak I am, how sinful person I am, how people are there. But like what it said, God, help me to have grace in your eyes. And what it says, God found grace in the sight of God. That same way, but in the Peter's case, like Peter said, what? God, help me, I will go with you. And eventually you know that what happened with Peter. पतरस के साथ क्या हुआ जानते हो? He denied Christ. He denied Christ. If I am trying to do things on my own, I will eventually deny Christ. I would not say by denying Christ I will lose my salvation. I mean to say, maybe I will lose the presence. I may not experience Christ the way He wants me to experience Him, but I may be trying to experience Christ the way I want Him to be experienced. And I think today morning somebody sent me a message saying that lot of times people wants to become God in somebody else's life rather than trying to be like God. Don't try to be God, but try to be like God. There is a huge difference between this. I can be trying to be God in somebody else's life instead of I can be trying to be like God in somebody else's life. And Moses was trying to be like God to the Israelites, and Peter was trying to be God. Like he was saying, okay, I can do it, my king. But here Moses saying, God, if you are not going, allow me not to go. Interesting. So I would like to leave with this small thought that as a believers, we have a responsibility to go with God. हम एक विश्वासी होने के नाते हम मसीह के साथ, परमेश्वर के साथ आगे बढ़े. And allow God to go ahead in your life. Don't try to run ahead of God. Try to go behind God. Try to follow next to Him. And that's what I would like to leave this evening. So I hope that you are enjoying these devotions, and this is happening at 5:30, not on 6 p.m. We have slight change in the devotion time. So be with us, just listen and be edified. If you have anything, please feel free to write a comment and leave a note in the note box. Thank you and God bless you all. Thank you. Bye bye.